Today, I'm digging into VT Markets, the Forex broker promising quick setups and big rewards. Is it legit? Is it risky, frisky? Or is it hiding something sticky? Let's investigate. VT Markets is an online broker that lets you trade Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and crypto. It launched back in 2015 and says it operates in over 160 countries. They offer the usual platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and even TradingView, which gives traders a lot of flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or one of those chart junkies who never blinks, you've probably seen tools like these before. As for regulation, it's kind of mixed bag. They're licensed under ASIC in Australia, which is legit, but they also operate under offshore licenses in places like Mauritius. Translation: where you live might affect how protected your money really is. They advertise low spreads, fast execution, and bonus offers. But those are just headlines. The real story? That's what we're here to uncover. VT Markets makes all the usual claims you'd expect from a modern trading broker. They talk about tight spreads, fast order execution, deep liquidity. They also throw in some flash like bonus deposit offers, referral rewards, and even a loyalty program where you earn points just for trading. And if that's not enough, they've got copy trading, trading signals, and market analysis tools built into their app. Basically, they want to look like your one-stop shop for making moves in the markets, even if you're just getting started. But here's the thing, all of this sounds very polished, almost too polished, because flashy features are easy to advertise, but performance and trust are harder to fake. Before we take a look at what other users are actually saying, I advise you to take a closer look at the description of this video and find out how to start making real money online, even if you're a beginner with no experience. Go check it out and see how it compares with VT Markets. Now this is where things get messy. On paper, VT Markets checks a lot of boxes, but if you dig into reviews from actual users, some patterns start to pop up, and not the good kind. Some traders report withdrawals getting delayed. Others say they had to submit extra documents over and over, only to get radio silence when it came time to cash out. Then there are reports of trades executing on their own, like open positions appearing overnight that they swear they didn't place. A few even say they were suddenly locked out of their accounts right after making a profit. I'm not saying all of these are guaranteed red flags. Sometimes it's user error or bad luck. But when the same complaints show up across different forums and review sites, it looks like a pattern. So yeah, VT Markets may be regulated, but that doesn't mean you're completely safe from shady behavior or frustrating roadblocks. On sites like Trustpilot, you'll see plenty of 5-star reviews from people who say it works fine. But right underneath that, you'll find 1-star ratings from folks who say they got burned, especially around withdrawals, sudden account freezes, or locks. So depending on where you look, VT Markets is either a solid, underrated platform or a broker that should come with a warning label. So what's the deal with VT Markets? They're a real broker, regulated, established, offering solid tools like MT4, MT5, and even TradingView, which is more than a lot of others can say. But real doesn't always mean reliable. Some traders have good experiences, fast trades, tight spreads, easy account setup. Cool, that's what we like to see. But others are not so lucky. Withdrawal issues, surprise trades, and support that suddenly disappears when you need it most. It's one of those platforms that looks clean on the surface, but once you dig deeper, you realize the user experience is all over the place. If you're a seasoned trader who knows how to handle risk, maybe it's worth a shot. But if you're a beginner thinking this is a safe, plug-and-play option, might be time to look elsewhere. And if you're more interested in building real, beginner-friendly income online, not just rolling the dice on the Forex charts, I left something in the description. No pressure, just something that's actually worked for me. If you got something out of this breakdown, hit that like button so I know it helped. Drop a comment if you've used VT Markets or if you got another broker you wanted to dig into. And if you like this kind of no-fluff content, consider subscribing. Keeps the investigations rolling. Stay sharp, stay skeptical. I'll see you in the next investigation. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.